Look at me. Hello, boy. Look at me. Come on, boy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You are little cute one. What about you? Hello, boy. Hello, boy. Come on. Come on here. Look at me. Hello, boy. Look at me. Come on, boy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You are little cute one. What about you? You. Come on, gray boy. You never play with me. Gray boy. Come on. Come on, gray boy. Gray boy. Oh, he doesn't want to play. So let's go and check my white boy. He's a big boy here, having breakfast at the termite nest here. He also not like to play a lot. Come on, boy. Is that yummy one? Termites. And number one feed for chicken in nature. Wow, you are so beautiful. Look at you, very beautiful. And here is my black rooster son. He start growing his beauty here. There are some black rooster son here. Gonna be great like the father. So 3 is here. 1, 2, 3. The other one go over there. This boy play a lot. Everywhere I go, he come around and play. Gonna be great one. This one, I like this one the most. Okay, that's all. Bye bye. Go to work now. See, termites here.